The growling noise your stomach makes when you're hungry is called borborygmi, and it happens due to the movement of gas and fluids through the digestive system. Here's why it happens. Digestive motility. Your stomach and intestines are muscles that move food and fluids through the digestive tract. Even when you're not eating, these muscles still contract in a process known as peristalsis, which helps clear out any leftover food, gas, and digestive juices. Hunger signals. When you're hungry, your brain signals your digestive system to prepare for food. This causes your stomach and intestines to contract more, increasing the movement of air and digestive fluids. This intensified activity results in the growling sound. If your stomach is empty, there's no food to muffle the sound of the gas and fluids moving around, making the growling more audible. This process is completely normal, and it doesn't just happen when you're hungry, it can happen at any time, but it's more noticeable when your stomach is empty.